In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to create an e-way bill in the latest version of Zoho Books, specifically the 2025 edition. To start off with the process, first, you have to navigate your way to the Sales section of the application. Then, under this category, please look for and select Invoices. In this same portion, you can also opt to choose Credit Notes if your intention is to create an e-way bill for a credit note instead. Once you've entered into either the Invoices or Credit Notes section, you will need to select the specific invoice or credit note for which the e-way bill is to be created. Your Zoho Books application will have a list of invoices or credit notes available. Just select the one appropriate and your workspace will be ready for the next step. Having selected your specified invoice or credit note, you'll see a drop-down menu labeled as More. Click on this drop-down menu to expand your list of options. From this list, you will need to select Add e-way bill details. This is an essential step, as it's how you will input the details necessary for creating your e-way bill. After clicking Add e-way bill details, a pop-up window will appear on your screen. In this window, select the Create New e-way bill option. This will prompt new fields for you to fill out with the necessary e-way bill details to create the required bill. Having chosen to create a new e-way bill, you are required to fill in all the necessary details. This would include consignment particulars like the description, quantity of goods, and value of the consignment. You will also need to provide transporter details such as GSTIN of the transporter and the transporter's document number. Additional information you'll need to input will be vehicle information, including the vehicle number and the mode of transportation used. Once all the necessary details have been entered, you'll have two options to save your progress. You can either click Save to save the e-way bill details without generating the e-way bill. This is useful if you want to create a draft for review before generating the actual e-way bill. Alternatively, you can click Save and Generate. Choosing this option will automatically generate the e-way bill within Zoho Books. This is a quick way to have your e-way bill ready, especially when you are confident with the details you have entered. Therefore, in this tutorial, we demonstrated the easy step-by-step process of creating an e-way bill in Zoho Books 2025. By following these steps, you can now efficiently and effectively create e-way bills as per your requirements.